Look what I came out here to. Hi. I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you. Come here. Come here. One of you guys is the one that ran at me when I was on my spiritual vision quest. And I was out here and one of you ran right at me. Yeah. And you're coming at me right now. Come see me. Come see me. Other than the road being nearby with another fake warrior here. Sorry, I jiggled the camera. Come here. What a blessing. Oh, what spooked you? What spooked you? I know I'm going to pet you guys soon. It was nice to see you. Amazing. So basically, I don't have time to get into everything, but I did promise to say how to get in tune with your true self and nature. And couldn't you tell that I was in tune with myself when I came out here, because the deer came to my big energy. Everything in the world revolves around frequency, energy, and vibration. And when you're in tune with your true self, you know it, because I went on my spiritual vision quest, and it's so complex to get into right now, but basically, as I open my heart and open myself to nature, the animals come to me now. And did you see in the video how the energy changed because I live near a road, even though I have this beautiful nature center other than that? And some guy with a loud, annoying truck went by. My energy changed, and you could see how that the deer had been coming towards me, literally, to be petted. And then guess what? My energy changed, and I became annoyed, and the deer ran to the woods because they sensed that my energy changed to a so-called negative emotion. I'll get into much more of this in a future video, because it's basically one of the keys to the universe. And I want everybody to be happy and successful and prosperous in their life. And this is one of the main ways we do this. We came from nature. We didn't come from concrete. There's so much more to it. It's philosophical, but it's not. And it's very, very important. And I can't wait to tell everybody what I've learned. Have a great day, everybody. God bless.